Hi, Chris.
Hi.
What's your project today?
My project today is to replace this radiator in a 1971 Cutlass Supreme convertible. It's got a 350 two-barrel engine, and hopefully this should be easy. There are 4 bolts that hold the top radiator bracket in. So once we take this off, undo the hoses, drain the radiator, undo the transmission line.
Sounds hard.
Oh, it's not that hard. We'll put in a new radiator and we'll get this thing done. It's not as hard as a BMW, I can say that.
Oh, all right.
It's always the last bolt that takes up the longest time. That was a bit rusted. So, let's see how this looks. Oh, there's a snap. Okay. And there we go.
Part 2.
Okay, I've just loosened up this stainless steel clamp, and what I'm going to do is slide it back, and if I'm lucky, I will be able to twist this around and undo the hose. Okay, a little bit of movement. There we go. The top one's come off, but not the bottom. There we go. I'm going to lay this over here so the water doesn't come out. Next, I'm going to undo this clamp down here. And like the other one, we'll slide it back. The Spectra CU351 radiator says that it's compatible with this. I bought some hose adapters because these outlets and inlets holes for the radiator fluid could be a bit different in size. So I have some adapters just in case. We are removing the transmission lines to 1/2 inch compression. So I'm just going to undo that. So it came pretty easy. And then the one down here, again, 1/2 inch. And, okay. This radiator may have been replaced before because what I'm seeing here is a splice between the transmission line and the radiator. Obviously that did not happen in the factory.
I didn't hear you.
What I'm seeing here is a splice between the transmission line and the radiator, meaning that the radiator was likely replaced before.
Okay.
Okay. So almost finished. And yep. This one's a bit dirty. Always takes longer than you anticipate. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to put this up around there so that fluid doesn't come out. We've just disconnected the transmission lines from the radiator, and before that we removed the hoses. So now I should be able to lift this directly out. And the new one will go in. Into the same mounted brackets. And I'll just wiggle it back and forth until it goes in. And it is in. Installing the radiator went quite well. It was just reverse procedures of taking it out. I used Teflon tape on the compression fittings, and the only issue I had was with the upper mounted bracket. The cushions did not fit exactly, so I will have to go back and fix that. The radiator uses 2 gallons of coolant. Once that was put in, I ran it for 45 minutes and everything was working well. Thanks for watching. Best of luck on your projects.